the idea that I see God, I talk to Him, and I get answers from Him and all of that. When you are in a conscious level, it doesn't happen that way.
Yeah.
When you are in the early stages, yes, it does. I mean, for instance, now we are contemplated Mary gazing into the face of Jesus.
Right.
We had that experience.
Right.
So when we are doing all of that, and there was Jesus, Mary was gazing, and we got a chance to gaze also. And, we was very specific about connecting with his emotions,
Right.
and we had a taste of that experience.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yes.
That happens in contemplation.
Right.
Okay. But when you are in the meditative stage, when you are at conscious state, that order is not there. That witness is not there. You are just in the same conscious level, and that's where you are. See, and at that time, the things you do, the things you say, and all of that is without even the awareness that you are witnessing what Jesus is doing, and you are doing it. Without even the awareness of it.
Explain it again.
See, for instance, when Mother Teresa, when she went and picked up all those leprous and things like that, leprous.
Right.
See, Mother Teresa was expressing what she was seeing Jesus as doing. And she was doing the same thing.
That's it.
See, that is what Jesus was saying. I see what my Father is doing and I do likewise. You see that? So the awareness that Jesus is doing that's all that is required of Mother Teresa. And she went ahead and did it. It is not for her, she did not sit and pray that, Jesus, do this for me, use me, all of that, and set up all the expectations, before she went and picked up a leper. That's not how it happened. See, that's not how it happens. She was at a conscious level, witnessed what Jesus is doing, and she was at the same conscious level, she was doing the same thing. That's what we call awareness. So when you are in a conscious state, what you are aware is not something ordered. It is not something ordered, it is not something that is structured, it's not anything like that. It is Jesus in his own emotions. That's all it is. And you are doing it. That's about it. Make sense?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.